If you look at share liquidity, we're extremely happy that share liquidity has gone up tremendously in the past 3 years. So if you look at 2012, we had about 400,000 shares trading per month. Clearly, because the share value was lower, that represented only about 200,000 Rand. The last year, 2013, we traded close to 800,000 shares per month. And that certainly translates into a much, much bigger volume, with the share price now sitting at about 3 Rand or above. Certainly starting to get much, much more liquid. Our shareholder base has also increased from about 400 or 500 people to over 800 people, and we see each month adding about 50 to 100 new shareholders. So we do feel that the liquidity of the share is becoming a lot more attractive. One part that's for us quite exciting is that if you look at our share price low in the past 12 months, it occurred in May last year, where the share price was 50 cents, giving us a market cap of 40 million. At the share price of 300 plus, the market cap now is over 500 million, which is a factor of 10 or more up on where it was 10 months ago. And we feel very proud of that and feel that we are going strongly towards the ideal of getting it to be a market cap of in excess of 1 billion. We believe that we will become a full-blown member of the small cap part of the JSE. If we look at the PSG deal, one exciting part of it is that the second 50 million will still come into the company this half of the year, in other words, before our financial year end. And it's structured in a way where PSG gives us a convertible debenture. In other words, they borrow us 50 million, and at any time they can convert that to shares that's worth 2.50 Rand, which at the time the deal was struck, the share price was actually sitting at 1.60 Rand, was a very good deal. We believe it still will be a very good deal for both parties. It certainly provide us with some of the capital we will need for our acquisitions and expansion of the company. If you look at China, I describe China always as one of our real strategic strengths. And we believe that we are already starting to bring things to the party for some of the companies that's getting involved with us via these China operations. We don't just source from China at the moment. We've been dealing with China most probably 7 years now. And we're certainly now at a point where we don't own a company in China, but we've got a company where we pay for part of the overheads and where we fully control the operations and can make sure that they produce the stuff to the standards and to the cost requirements that we require here. So a long, long struggle, and I would say to anyone saying that they just want to manufacture in China, you're in for a hard ride. But we believe we've done it, and we believe having that base there at the moment is certainly going to give a lot of benefit in the future.